right, now our last one this week comes from Tim, and Tim is in Northeast Ohio. Hi, Alan. My name is Tim. I have purchased your Cool Season Lawn Guide and love learning how to dominate my neighbors. I live in Northeast Ohio and have new construction garbage dirt. With that being said, I have followed your guide and have actually established a really good lawn, with room to improve, of course. It is the landscaper's mix of seed, which is Kentucky bluegrass, rye, and fescue. This is the lawn's third summer, and it's been doing well until this spring when I got plagued with brown patch. We had a wet spring and didn't pick up on the signs, and the lawn telling me there was a problem until it was too late. Rookie mistake. I never treated with a fungicide and spent most of the early summer debating on what disease it actually was. Sadly enough, my lawn has fallen victim to the fungus. I never did treat it. My question is this: as I'm gearing up for my first ever fall renovation, or rejuvenation as Craig, one of our Facebook moderators, calls it, I am worried about the brown patch will harm the new grass I'm going to try to grow. I plan on aerating for the first time, 7 pounds per thousand overseed with a small dose of starter fertilizer and a normal app of Milo. Should I be worried about the fungus messing with new seed, or will it be too late in the year and the fungus isn't active? Thank you very much for putting out the great content. Thank you again. So this is a great question, and this is what I just want to say right now. For the majority of you, stop treating for fungus. We're now coming basically into the middle of August. We're coming into the fall. The cooler temperatures are going to start shutting everything down. Now, there are some fall-time diseases that can hit the lawn. I've seen rust and powdery mildew and stuff like that, but those are mostly problems with the leaf, and the lawn will grow out. Even if it does happen to get into your new grow, which likely it won't, it will grow out. You're going to have so much fert going down, pushing everything out. It'll push that out. However, brown patch should not be a problem going into the fall. So what I would say is you got to leave that behind. No more fungicides. Let's just let things rest right now. If you haven't treated it, let it rest, let it chill. Prepare for that aeration. Prepare for that overseed. If you want to put humic acid in the soil, yes. If you want to put some sea kelp in, which we call RGS, root growth stimulant, yes, you can do that. If you want to use the aerate product to loosen up the soil, yes. If you want to use dethatch, which is something that'll eat up the dead spots, for sure right now, middle of the summer, yes, hose your lawn with the dethatch. Let it eat up all of that dead stuff that's in there, so that way when you get to fall, you can concentrate on your seed. But I would not be concerned about the brown patch doing anything to you in the fall. It's pretty much run its course. It's pretty much going to be shut down. Let's not put any more chems down right now as far as it goes to trying to kill that, and let's look forward to the future. So hope that answers your question there, Tim. You should be fine. Whatever happened in the summer happened. It's a learning experience for you. Now you know. And one thing for those of you that did have brown patch this year, what you want to do is you want to load your nitrogen in the fall and back your nitrogen down in spring. If you're somebody that fought with brown patch this year, that's for any lawn at all, but mostly for you guys with fescue. If you fought with brown patch at all this year, you should definitely plan to blow your lawn up with nitrogen this fall, push it hard, and then next spring go to a low nitrogen, higher micronutrient type program, because that will just help to keep the disease at bay. It's not going to be a foolproof plan to keep it out 100%, but it just won't feed it anymore. So brown patch, folks, high nitrogen fall, low nitrogen in spring.